When we talk about programming languages, they can generally be categorized into two broad types: low-level and high-level languages. Low-level languages, such as assembly and machine code, are closer to hardware, offering direct memory access and fast performance, but they're complex and difficult to write or understand. On the other hand, high-level languages like Python, Java, and C++ are designed to be more human-readable, abstracting away the hardware details and simplifying the development process. While low-level languages offer maximum control and efficiency, high-level languages prioritize developer productivity and code readability. Understanding the difference is crucial for choosing the right tool depending on the task, whether it's developing an operating system, building a mobile app, or automating everyday tasks. Like, comment, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand tech videos, and check the blog post linked in the description for more in-depth insights.